Hi, welcome to my channel. One egg. Separate the egg yolk and egg white. Use the egg yolk. Add ginger powder. And then add honey. Mix it well. Drink 1 hour before play in bed. This is our traditional tips based on our lifestyle. We don't guarantee that it will work for everyone. Thank you for watching.